Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between cash credit and overdraft. Cash credit is commonly offered to businesses rather than to individual consumers. Cash credit is a short-term financing solution a business customer has at their disposal. If the customer doesn't have enough funds in their account, they can use the cash credit for routine banking transactions up to the credit limit. Cash credit may also be referred to as a cash reserve account. On the other hand, overdraft is a form of financing issued by a financial institution to individuals and is attached to a bank account, usually a checking account. If a customer doesn't have enough funds in their account to complete a transaction, the overdraft covers the difference, allowing the account to go into a negative balance. So, let's look into the basic differences between cash credit and overdraft in a tabular form. Difference number 1. Cash credit is a short-term loan provided to businesses for maintaining working capital, whereas an overdraft is a facility that allows individuals or businesses to withdraw more than their available bank balance. Number 2. Cash credit is specifically meant to maintain the working capital of a business, whereas an overdraft is used to meet short-term financial needs of businesses or individuals. Number 3. The interest rate on cash credit is lower compared to an overdraft, whereas the interest rate for an overdraft is generally higher. Number 4. Cash credit requires the borrower to open a new account, whereas an overdraft can be availed from an existing bank account. Number 5. In cash credit, interest is charged on the total amount withdrawn, whereas in an overdraft, interest is charged only on the amount actually utilized. Number 6. Cash credit is typically provided for a fixed period, usually 1 year, whereas an overdraft can be offered on a monthly, quarterly, half-yearly, or yearly basis. Number 7. Cash credit is generally available only to businesses, whereas an overdraft facility can be extended to both businesses and individuals. Number 8. Cash credit requires collateral such as inventory or receivables, whereas an overdraft may be either secured or unsecured, depending on the bank's policies. Number 9. The credit limit for cash credit is determined based on the business's performance and working capital requirements, whereas the overdraft limit is based on the account holder's financial history and relationship with the bank. And finally, difference number 10. Cash credit usually requires structured repayment, whereas an overdraft allows for more flexible repayment as funds can be replenished anytime. So, these are the differences between cash credit and overdraft. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.